Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix green flashing of screen on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So let's start. So if your screen is flashing in green like this, okay, so just follow this tutorial to fix it. So just open your settings app and then scroll down at the very bottom and then tap on developer options and then scroll down to hardware accelerated rendering, this section, and in this section you can see here we have show hardware layers updates, this option. So when it is turned on, it will flash hardware layers green when they update. So we have to turn it off. So to turn it off, just tap on this toggle button. So let me tap on it and you can see it's now turned off. And now you can see the screen is not flashing in green. Okay, you can see. So that's it. Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos.